Okay, here is the 781, ICOM IC 781. This is N2LEN for another quick video clip. And we are refurbishing and lubricating the main VFO knob, which, thank God, it is mechanical. There is a tremendous amount of old goopy grease. You could see it on my fingers that caked up, made it very hard to turn. So we're going to do a mixture of white lithium grease and penetrating oil mixed. It's definitely it's caked up on the inside of the main chassis, also on the main VFO knob. We'll show you a video clip of how it removes out of the front panel. You do not need to take the front panel off of the radio. You could do it just by removing the VFO knob. This is N2LEN. We'll catch you later.